going to show you how to disable the access to the USB port. It's an anti-theft trick. So for that, we press the Windows and R keys. Then we go to open the widget, click yes. We find the HK local machine. Then we go to system. After that, we go to current control set, then go to services. We go to bottom of the page and we want to find the USB store. For that, here it is. Then we click on start and we change the value to 4. And we okay, then restart your system. And as you can see, you cannot access to USB port. And for undone this option, go to these changes and change the value to 3. Please subscribe our channel and like our video and have fun.